What is up, guys? It's Wolfie here, back with another video. So today I am playing Potter Birds, which, have you heard of the game Angry Birds? It's basically just like Angry Birds but with Harry Potter's. So let's go. I have already played this a bit, so let's go to the Scotland Fields. As you can see, we've already played some levels. So, level 1. Right, oh, way too high. I'm just gonna restart that, because that was terrible. Oh, not sponsored. There we go. So, did it, well not really first try, second try. Still got 1 star though. 2. Just ignore all these ads, not sponsored, go away. Anyway. So, well that did not go to plan. Guys, can I, forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, can you just please, go away. Sorry for all the ads. Can you just, please just ignore all the talking in the background, because that is not necessary with this video. Well, that was a pretty rubbish go. Oh, way too high, or maybe not. No. I need to start to do that one again. Oh, yeah, So, sorry for awkward silence. So, let's try that again. Oh, can I get this in the first go? Yes, I can. Woo. Just checking something. Yep, still 1 star too. Whatever. Right, let's go do that again, and that was way too high. Oh, can I get this? No, I cannot. So yeah, let's retry that. So, sorry for the background noise, that's not meant to be there. Right there, come on, please. Yay. No. If I can get that just right. No, that was way too high. Oh, no. That, oh my god, guys, that level is so hard. Wow. Wow. I'm so good at this game. Right, 2 down in the first go. Please say I can get this. No. Oh, please. This game is literally so annoying. I forgot to turn the volume of this up. That sounds so wrong. Wow. Top quality. Just top quality. Wow. I'm going to try that again, just with Leviosa. I can't do this anymore. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Sorry this was a bit shorter than usual. But anyway, and also I forgot to mention, really sorry that I have not been uploading for ages. I've been very busy in that, and I've just not had time to I've been recording and uploading. So see you next time, and this is not a good way to end the video with an ad. And see you later. Goodbye, wolves.